Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sync WhatsApp contact on iPhone. Let's get started. So, first of all, go ahead and simply open up Settings application in your mobile device. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on Privacy and Security. Just like that, scroll below again, then tap on Contacts. And now inside here, scroll below, then tap on WhatsApp. Just like that, in this list, make sure limited access or full access is selected. This allows WhatsApp to access your phone contacts. After that, hit back to your home screen and then open up WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you need to go ahead and simply sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on the chat section and then tap on this plus icon. That you should now see your contacts' names instead of numbers. That's it. Now your WhatsApp contacts are synced and should display correctly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.